welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley. If you're new here, please subscribe and join the fam. And today we're going to be doing a fall recipe video. I am just like completely in the fall spirit lately, and I'm really excited to share this recipe with you guys because it is really delicious. And today is a beverage, so I really hope you're excited because I'm doing a pumpkin spice latte recipe. And this is so easy to do. It's healthier than the Starbucks version, and it tastes way better and like way more homemade. And also it's dairy free and vegan if you are interested in that. I mean, it doesn't taste like bad because it's vegan. It still tastes really, really good. So give it a chance, try it out. So let's actually just go ahead and get started because I am ready to go. I am ready for this. Are you guys? So the first thing you want to do is get your coffee or your tea ready. So you can use chai tea actually, and it has caffeine in it and it does taste like coffee. That's what I'm gonna use, but you can brew just like a regular cup of black coffee, whatever kind of coffee you like. So I am just gonna get a mug and I'm gonna fill it with water. And I'm just gonna pop this in the microwave and get it ready to go. Now I'm not gonna turn it on yet because there's other steps we need to do first. So we wanna make sure, actually, you know what, I'm gonna put it in, I'm just gonna make it really hot. I'm gonna put it in for like 3 minutes and that should be good. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. I'm gonna be using the xoxo chai tea. This chai tea is really good. I'm going to let it steep in the cup for the whole time that I'm doing the other steps of this recipe. That way it is ready to go because the last step is gonna be where the chai tea comes in, or the coffee if you're using coffee. So while all that is going, we are gonna be using a cup of almond milk. And if you guys are needing the recipe, it's gonna be in the description box all written out so you guys can see it. I recommend using the regular almond milk, not the original, or not the vanilla almond milk. I recommend using the original. I'm gonna be using exactly a cup, so hopefully that's a cup. Nope, need a little more. And I'm just gonna dump it into my mug. Now this is where it's going to vary a little bit depending on what you have at your house. So you can either boil, or not boil, you can heat up this milk in a saucepan on the stove, or the way I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna use this DeLonghi Magnifica machine. You can use, if you have like an espresso and you can like steam your milk, then you can do it like that. You just want to steam it and get it hot. So I'm using this machine, and this is the steamer. So basically what you do is you stick your cup in here and it steams the milk. The reason that I'm steaming my milk in this machine rather than on the stove is because it will get like a froth on top. So I'm using my blender, and I'm gonna put all the other ingredients in the blender so that it's ready to go once my milk is done. So what you're gonna need to put in your blender is 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all of those things into my blender, and then I will be right back. So everything is in the blender now. Oh, the next step after you put all the stuff in the blender is you want to start heating up your milk, whether it's on the stove or if you're gonna steam it. So I'm gonna go ahead and steam it, and you guys can see how that goes. So as you can see, there's a lot of froth on top, which I personally like. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna dump this milk into your cup, or into your blender. Now that everything's in the blender, I'm going to blend it. And you wanna blend it on high until it gets frothy. So what you want to do now is you want to get your coffee or your chai tea, and then you're going to add your pumpkin spice mix. Then I'm just going to add a little sprinkle of cinnamon on top. And there you have it, guys. Pumpkin spice latte. Look how pretty it looks. Oh my god, that is so good, you guys. I cannot believe how good this is. So yeah, try this recipe out. If you do, tag me if you post it on Instagram or anything. Let me know if you guys like it, and I'm so excited. I hope you enjoy this recipe. I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye!